right, Steven's Toll here for game design. I'm doing a review for my last class. It was discrete mathematics. Coming into this class, I did not think it was what it really was. It was some weird math. Um, like 2 times 2 equals 1. Dun dun dun. So, weird stuff, fun stuff. It's not too hard. I do remember, I do have a lot of notes. Took a lot of notes in this class. I think the hardest part of the class for me was just looking in here. All the stuff in the beginning was pretty easy, but it was, oh man, these, I don't know if you can see it that well, but it's, Venn diagrams. Oh man, those questions were pretty hard. But that's just me personally. You might learn differently, and that might help you more. It just confused me. Going through the sequences, they were pretty simple. You catch on pretty quick with the increasing, decreasing. And it's a dead giveaway. But when you get to disjunction, conjunction, negation, it's a little confusing and then you get to biconditional and true and false. It's just all confusing. It's not really like math like you think it really is. Like, it's actually like all simple math, but it's using logic. So it's just logical math. Yeah, all pretty easy. 1-to-1, on to. I got a little lost at some points, but just going on my Discord, I was able to get a lot of help and stuff for what I needed to do. Yeah, a lot of the stuff is, it's not hard, but you definitely want to try your hardest. This stuff's important to know in your future. Boolean algebra, so simple. Ones and zeros. Properties, functions, it's all pretty simple when you get through there. When I got into combinatorics, it's really not as hard as it looks. It looks really weird. But once you get down, just remember all of the all of the ways to write it. Just like for like combinatorics, it's C to the NR equals. Just like remember these. They're really important for pretty much all the things that you're going to be doing in. So for that one, it was for combinations. But you might need to have a permutation thing that you remember. I like to write them on the page while I'm doing my studying and stuff, so I can remember those specific sequences. GCD, LCD, we all learned that in algebra, before algebra. Towards the end, I was able to write less notes because I kind of got it. But yeah, just going through this, wow. I did a lot of stuff here. Oh, finding the mods. It's funny because I worked at a pizza place called Mod. But finding your mods and divs, it's really easy. It's just division. It's really just division. like 294 div 5. You know, whatever it goes into, and then the remainder is what your mod is. So it's just normal division. Yeah. So that's about it for discrete math. It was a pretty fun class. And now I'm moving on to my next.